I don't know what area we're in, I'll clarify with Ryan in a bit. Me and Ryan decided to come here to celebrate my birthday because it was my birthday earlier in the week. My mum decided to treat me to a little weekend away in the countryside near the coast. The place actually gave body soaps. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. The other month my skin was looking terrible when I just got back. I've been sticking to my little regimen and it's been working. Right now I'm putting Bakuchiol serum from Typology on my face. I use this twice a day. It's basically like the vegan alternative to retinol. They do say use 3 to 4 drops, I believe. Wow, use 2 to 3 drops. I literally use about 10 to 12 drops. So, I mean, I guess it depends on your skin type. I'm just gonna let that sink in. Then after, I'm gonna go in with this Olay Regenerist Day Cream. It's the one with SPF 30. Now, I originally wanted the Regenerist Mineral Sunscreen, but they don't sell that in the UK. I wanted the Regenerist line specifically because it has niacinamide in it. And my skin was just really suffering. With this, I go in with 3 and then I'll drag it to my neck as well. The reason I started using the serum in the daytime is because I was putting the sunscreen all over my face, including my eyelids, and my eyes would water and burn all the time. Now I'm looking dewy. Some would say sweaty, but I'll say dewy. And I just put the rest on my hands, and then after I go in with my perfume oil. I just do a cross behind both of my ears because, you know, we are for the Lord. With my hair, I was saying that I'm gonna do that bun style that I always do. So I'll leave like 2 bits out here, and I'll tuck them and then put my hair in a bun like so. I'm wearing this gown. This is my outfit of the day. Somebody pinch me. I lie. I flopped with these slippers. I thought I wasn't going to get sand in my feet. I lie. I should have actually worn them. Guys, when I tell you we've made it to a beach similar to the beaches in Ghana, the sand is real sand and it's not rocks. We thank the Lord. What did you say? this is real Balamori, innit? Real life Balamori.
You keep ruining it.
Oh, sorry. There's a meeting in my bed. That's the song, isn't it?
I was just listening to the Ready or Not sample.
I knew you were.
I'm a sample guy, man. Even though it's getting a bit rinsed up.
Oh, yeah. No, it's true though, because if you sell out London O2, like that's a big venue, you know.
But a lot of the American artists, they say it like UK, like they get
our market is tough. This is Western.
The interlude.
The interlude, bro. Onion is like my favorite vegetable of all time. Isn't it, right?
We can go down to the lake now. Yeah, I'm so tired, can't wait to get home now.
Brings all the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. The thing that makes me put the guys go crazy. They lose their minds to where you want.
I feel like I'm in Sun Trap.
I was just about to say that.
This is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this dress from Naked and these white sandals from Nasty Girl. It's got the backless detail, which I love. I'll see you guys on the road. We just pulled up to the petrol station to get some petrol. It was a really cute weekend. It was the ultimate chill. We're about to go back to Ryan's house. Ryan's coming back now. He's camera shy.
I feel like,
I feel like Kanye.
I know what Kanye West, what he's like, but they're like, good morning, Kanye. It's like, shut up. Every time I go, they recording me.
Hey!
Is that Kanye West?
Hey, Kanye, is that you? Get them damn cameras out my face.
Get them cameras out my face.
Watch if you're smart.
Why do you like doing things like that?